Lots of changes are coming with advanced placement. So advanced placement 2025, that's next year, would turn digital completely for 9 subjects. Now this digital would be applicable not only to schools in United States but also outside United States. And once the subject is converted digital, that means there would be no pen and paper examination even on request. So these are the list of 9 subjects that would completely go digital for 2025. Now, few important things to note: the paper pattern, the number of questions, the type of questions, everything remains the same. That means those who are going for questions where subjective questions are required, FRQs are there. That means you have to type your answers in the system. The app would be known as the Blue Book app, and you can actually download it and rehearse some of the sets there. But overall, the pattern of the examination, the way in which it is conducted, the set of MCQs, the set of FRQs would remain the same, the timings, and moreover, the framework would remain the same. Now, what is important to note is for the first year, AP Psychology and AP African American Studies is being offered for 2025. However, the course of AP African American Studies would be available only digitally for 2025 in schools in United States. Outside United States, this would be applicable from 2026. So again, important to note. Now these are some of the list of subjects that are available here. Note, most of the subjects here are from humanities and social sciences. Converting sciences into digital format probably could take a while. So going 100% digital for all the subjects, we are not sure when that would turn up. But yes, you have to keep preparing on the same pace, on the same mode, and practice the MCQs, FRQs on the portal at Doorstep Tutor. The solutions to the past year papers, the writing style, etc., have been given there for prompt understanding. Thanks for joining in.